Hi everyone, this is Melissa Robbins. I'm happy to be back. I feel like I know a lot of you by this time. My apologies for posting this video so late. I like to get the assignments done much earlier in the week, but I just returned last night from an amazing week-long trip to Scotland and Ireland. So I've been spending my days exploring Edinburgh and Dublin, both beautiful cities, and I am thoroughly exhausted and now have an awful lot of schoolwork to catch up on. So again, my apologies, but it was well worth it. It was an amazing trip. So I am a wildlife teacher at Green Chimneys School in Brewster, Ohio, and that is a school for students with special needs. It's K through 12. There's about 200 students there, residents and day, about half and half. And all of these students have some sort of issues that have prevented them from succeeding in public school. So there's a lot of behavior problems that I have to deal with. So when it comes to assessing students, it's a very unique process that I have to do for every single student because they are all so different. So what I'm assessing one student for may completely fail if I try to assess another student in the exact same way. Um, my classroom is not so much tests and lab reports and written work and things like that. I assess them more on skills and abilities and a lot about behavior. So I am mostly interested in finding ways to do these assessments, to better assess these students and also meet all of their unique needs. Our principal is very much encourages every student to be treated as an individual and knowing exactly what every student needs. So assessing every student individually is exhausting and it takes a lot of time, but it is necessary for these students. So that's me, a wildlife teacher at Green Chimneys, and by wildlife I have a classroom full of animals, mostly reptiles, and I'm surrounded by birds of prey that are all in outdoor enclosures. So it's a beautiful school, it's a beautiful area. Every animal there is for animal assisted therapy to work with these special needs students. So I'm always happy to answer questions or to tell anybody else about the school if you want to know anything. So one more thing about me, I am happy to say that I am now 5 months pregnant, so add that on to my things to do this spring between taking these classes, working full time. I'm already a mother of two. There's a lot going on in my life. So fingers crossed that everything goes very well. I'm sure it will. Again, that's me. I'm happy to be back and I look forward to hearing from any of you. Okay, thank you. Talk to you later.